Students, welcome to DAV Moil Public School Sita Sawangi. Today we are going to do revision of one interesting chapter from our textbook The First Flight, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. So we are going to revise the chapter. Already we have discussed everything about this chapter. So let's revise it. Nelson Mandela was a South African politician, revolutionary, who played a key role in the ending of apartheid regime of 20th century. He served as the country's first black president from 1994 to 1999 and is considered one of the most significant figures of the 20th century. He was the winner of 1993 Nobel Prize. He won the Nobel Prize for his peace, for his role in bringing the peaceful end and laying the foundation of a truly democratic South Africa. He belongs to South Africa and he is a Nobel Prize winner, and he devoted his whole life to bring out changes in the black community of South Africa. Walk to Freedom is an autobiography of former South African President Nelson Mandela, exploring the themes of racial equality, political protest, and the ability of the human spirit to overcome great hardship. Long Walk to Freedom is considered one of the most acclaimed and important autobiographies of the late 20th century. Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa. He fought against apartheid policy against Britishers. Even though he belongs to black community, but he struggled and ultimately he got succeed in his mission. Nelson Mandela was sworn in as the first black president of South Africa on 10th May 1994. The swearing in ceremony took place in the lovely sandstone in Pretoria. He addressed the rainbow gathering with a zest, telling that never, never, and never again should it be that the beautiful land would experience the oppression of one by another. He wished that freedom in Africa should reign. The army officials who could have caught and put him in jail before were saluting him to pay respect to the newly born democracy. The two national anthems were sung at the time of his swearing in ceremony. He recalls the history and pays homage to the national martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the sake of their motherland. He tells that martyrs were the men of extraordinary courage and wisdom and generosity. The country of South Africa is rich in minerals and gems, but the greatest wealth of a country is its people. He tells no one is born hating each another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. If people learn to hate, they can be taught to love too. He talks that man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never exhausted. He talks about the twin obligations, obligation towards his family and obligation towards his nation. While discharging his duty, he found he was not free. Hence, he joined African National Congress and fought for the freedom of his country. He knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. The oppressor and the oppressed are robbed of their humanity. So, students, you know that Nelson Mandela plays an important role for the black Negro people. Means he was the first black president who bring out changes in South Africa, because before he became president, the Britishers used to rule there and they were exploiting and they were doing injustice to the black African community. So this is the person who bring out changes in their life, and that has been well depicted in his autobiography. So students, read this once again and try to solve out the questions given in that textbook. Okay students, I hope that you have understood this. So try to solve out all the questions and read it twice, because you can understand all the points very clearly. Thank you. Have a happy day.